Alright, we have another area of a triangle. Again, we're going back to the basics of finding what is the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Alright? Base times height divided by 2. Again, if we take a look at this part right here, we could go ahead and get some pieces of information. So we could go ahead and get the measurement first of angle E. How do we get the measurement of angle E? The triangle sum theorem. What is it going to be? 62?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, 62.
62 degrees. Alright, so it's 62 degrees. We could go ahead and get this information, and let's say we're going to call this the base here in the bottom. Alright, so if we're trying to find the base here in the bottom, we could go ahead and apply the loss of sine, which is sine 44 degrees, and we're going to go this over the base, or little d. Alright, is equal to, we could go ahead and take this one here, which is sine 62 degrees, and the number should be on top is 6.6. I just changed the ratios around. Alright, that's all I did. If we're solving for the base, we multiply sine of 44 to both sides. Alright, this will cancel out. Base is equal to 44 sine times 6.6 divided by 62 sine, and the base is approximately what? 5.1925, right?
Wait, can you do the calculator again?
Sure. Again, we'll do this part first. 44 sine, and we multiply that by the 6.6, and then afterwards we divide it by 62 sine and push equal to, again, 5.1925. So we have the base here, so we'll come back to this right here. We have the base to be 5.1925. We need the height. So let's take this and try to separate it so we can actually see what's happening here. So we have the base, this is the base, 5.1925, and if I take this, let's keep this at 74 degrees. If I take this and make a right triangle going up, then I have this to be a 90 degrees, all right? So if I have 90 degrees, I know this side here remains the same. This side here is actually 6.6, correct? So now I could go ahead and create a new ratio, which this will be these two right here, which I could go ahead and write, and then afterwards these two right here, which is the 74 and the height. So the height over sine 74 is equal to, which is the what? The hypotenuse, which is 6.6 over sine of 90. And what is sine of 90? 1. So if I multiply both sides by sine of 74, sine of 74, this will cancel out. My height, all right, my height will be equal to these two numbers combined. So it'll be 74 sine times 6.6, and this height is 6.3443. So I multiply, I'm going to keep this. Remember I told you guys, the more decimal places you have, the more precise the answer would be. So I'll multiply this times 5.1925, and last but not least, divided by 2. We get the area to be 16.4714. That would be your answer.
Yay.
Good?